How to solve Torrdroid app not working. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Now head to the Play Store and tap on the search icon. Now search for Torrdroid. Now tap on the app and make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to your home screen and open up your settings application. Now go to apps, tap on app management and search for Torrdroid. Now tap on force stop, click on storage usage and tap on clear data. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.